The topic is the difference between traditional and Western. It consists of moral values. This is our ancestral property. Tradition is filled with values and ethics. Traditional marriages are filled with relatives and happiest moments. Tradition is enriched with history. Relations become very strong. Every religion and reason has its own tradition. We make our festival according to traditional forms. Give importance to holy books and follow them. We see that diversified nature. We give priority to farmers and advantages of Western. Nowadays, most of the people like Western culture. It gives preference to the comfort. It gives attraction to the people. It imbues technology. We live our life as we wish. Western gives us skill development and great job opportunities. This has more invitations and different styles. We can learn different languages. Industries are more giving development. It has based on scientific knowledge. Thank you to all.
I'm Manchanda. Kadapa tradition is of marriages. Tradition marriages are opposite in law because of that. And religion don't have normal religion tradition. Tradition is a class of physical dimension. Traditions don't have symbolic aspects. Gender discrimination.
Loudly.